Throughout my life, I've had many ideas that chime in with the human experience, and as a filmmaker, I always try and show these ideas visually through the art of film. This is my attempt at doing so. So I have a theory that I think could showcase how people perceive the world around them. And the reason for this is because I believe that everyone has a unique perspective. So let me explain what I'm talking about. You know when people share an experience together, like a concert or tourist looking at a new city and take photos? Yeah, like this. See, what I believe is that each and every one of those people have a different experience of that. So I came up with an experiment that I think can showcase how people have different perspectives of the same thing at the same time. I call this the disposable camera experiment, and I think it could really showcase this idea. This is quite an easy experiment to do, and you only need 3 things to do it. First off, you need 4 disposable cameras that you could give to your subjects. Second, you need at least 4 people so you have a large enough sample size and you have enough examples to show how each and every one of those people have different perspectives. Lastly, you need 1 shared experience that each and every one of your subjects can share at the same exact time. In this case, I'm doing a photo walk around New York City. The photo walk begins in Chinatown, where we will all meet up and disposable cameras will be handed out. A few pictures will be taken there, but it's our first stop, so we have to save as much film as we can. Second, we'll go to the City Hall area where there's tons of things that our subjects could take photos of. Once we're done, we'll make our way down to the Bullet Wall Street and try and be a tourist for a couple of minutes, getting our own perspective of the historical landmark. After that, we'll walk through Battery Park and make our way up to the Freedom Tower, capturing the beauty that the city has to offer. I think this could be a good experiment, but remember, the results vary, and it doesn't necessarily mean that people will or won't have different perspectives. With that, let's get into the photo walk. The results are in, and I'm proud to say that we did get different perspectives. But enough of my chit chat. I'll show you what we got, and you decide if people did or didn't have the same perspective.